planning a trip used to mean 40 browser tabs, 3 blog posts that contradict each other, and a spreadsheet you never finish. These 5 AI workflows replace almost all of it. Number 2 turns a chaotic group trip into one clean itinerary everyone actually agrees on. Number 5, real-time research with Perplexity. Ask it what's actually open this season, current entry requirements, or which neighborhoods are walkable, and it answers with cited, up-to-date sources instead of a blog written 3 years ago. For fast-changing travel details, that citation trail matters. Number 4, dump every confirmation email, hotel booking, and flight ticket into Notebook LM as sources. Then ask it to build a single day-by-day timeline. It reads through the clutter and hands back one organized schedule, and you can ask it follow-up questions about any detail buried in those emails. Number 3, ask Claude or ChatGPT to draft a packing list based on your destination, the season, and trip length, then have it check that list against the airline's actual baggage rules. It catches the liquids, over 100 ml mistake before airport security does.
Zeker? Ja, ja, zeker. Die vind ik ook niet. Oké, dan Kees wat in. Ja, doe maar. Twee. Ja. Oké. Zeker? Ja, ja, zeker. Die vind ik ook niet.